Look who we have here. Yes, sir. That's me. Yo, we have here. What's your name, sir?
Mr. Will.
What's your name, sir?
Dom.
And
Murder no.
oh, baby. So, these guys here, I heard you guys the one that did that at Dave's car. Couple times. How many times have you did it?
The second and third time.
Well, second overall, third because of your fuck up.
Second time.
Second time, yeah.
Second time.
So how did you guys meet each other?
2000.
Like, how did somebody get to do something for Daddy
I'm gonna make
Dave?
my story real short. I met him through Will.
That's it. Just like that. You gonna tell them about the time in the hotel or nothing?
Oh, baby.
Yeah.
Little people.
What was it? 2000 what? 13? Nah. 15, 16. I crashed the first car in 15.
What was this?
2016.
Yeah.
2016. I
Don't you right,
Darlington went out there to test with drag radius.
You guys always knew each other?
No, that's when we met. Yeah.
Okay.
Both of us were testing the same day.
Yeah. I stood mine up, slammed it down, busted the whole front off of it. Will's like, hey, I got a body shop 30 minutes down the road.
Shoot.
Take it down there and fix it before duck starts. So,
This dude, 20 hours away, 25 hours away, comes down here, never met me before in my life, drops his car off on a Wednesday night and hauls ass. I thought it was pretty cool.
Just gave you a chance.
Yeah, damn sure did.
That's cool. Was you satisfied when you first saw it?
Absolutely.
Man.
Right up till I crashed it the first time.
There was like 4 of us that actually put the base on. He put the base coat on the whole car.
Yep.
We had Kyle actually put some paint on it. Painted the bumper. And I cleared the whole car. And, but it was 5 or 6 of us, man. Fucking day and night.
How long did y'all have the car?
Long enough.
Got it in the shop
A week tomorrow. It got rough Thursday. A week tomorrow. Yeah, we actually did it in like 4 days.
Shoot. This as long as you
Only
had it?
because his fabricator's chassis guy did a fabulous job putting the car back together. If it wasn't for that, we'd still be
Fitting pants.
pumping. Yeah, he did a fabulous job.
So, Mr. Will, how'd you meet Kimbo here?
Kimbo has worked for me for a little over a year now. Very
It made a
good
rain.
man, very good painter. He's actually my shop manager at a truck shop. This is our second shop. He manages the other shop for me.
You a manager over there? I didn't know that.
You used to do wet t-shirt contests at the Opus one, right?
I did.
He did them last week too. You should have seen him. I think he came in second place.
I got you.
The size of those things.
Oh, baby.
That's right.
So, Dave, what brought you into town, man?
What brought me into town?
Yeah.
Let me answer that. Let me answer that.
All right.
So, I see online he's wrecked the car again.
And why you saying why? Don't say again. Just say he wrecked the car.
Well,
Well, everybody
second time.
says again.
That's
like
the second time.
Wrecked
I
it
mean, you
a
wrecked the
million
first one.
times.
How many times have you wrecked this car, man?
This one? This
Jesus.
is the first time.
Yeah.
Okay.
First time I've wrecked this car.
Second time he's wrecked. So,
Cool.
but I mean, when you do the shit he does, I mean, if you only wreck twice, you're doing damn good.
Yeah.
Some of them can't get down one pass. Anyway, I saw this time where he had a little mishap, and I reached out to him. I was like, you know, we'd like a shot to do your car again, and he's like, sure, yeah, I'll bring it to you. He dropped the coffee wire in the shop. While he was on vacation, they had it painted and surprised him and all. No, this is before.
That was.
Yeah, that was
So over the winter, I upgraded
getting
it
it
on.
done. Yeah.
And then I was gonna bring it out here for Will to paint. Well, it got painted in Ohio, and I felt horrible because we had planned on it for
This
like a
dude
month.
drove 25 hours down here.
So this.
Just to let you paint the
No
car.
business on this side of the country at all.
Oh, man.
Just to keep his word. The man told me he was going to let us paint his car again, and he spent all week down here.
So you got a friend in South Carolina, huh?
I left Missouri at 2:00 in the morning. Drove the 16 hours here.
Drove from Oklahoma
to Missouri, which is 6 hours, and then another 16 here, straight
all the
through,
same day.
just to get it here and get it dropped off. So they can actually
If
get to
that
work.
ain't keeping your word, if that ain't being a stand-up dude, I don't know what is. Good
So
dude.
talking about being a stand-up dude, he told me he was gonna give me the car.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna see if he gonna keep his word on that.
I think you had it all week to do whatever you wanted to do.
I don't care what anybody says online or whatever. Fucking stand up, dude. You don't get any better than that.
Is he gonna paint any other projects you may have coming up?
I may have something coming up. May have something in the works, and yes, I will drive 16 hours back out here and let Kimbo and we'll get after it.
And guys, this is not a preview. I don't know if this guy have a car coming for real, so don't be like, oh yeah, Dave got a car
Confirm or
coming.
deny nothing.
Yeah, so
I think he's coming back to his golf cart next.
golf cart.
Smart though. It was a team effort with everybody. Like, how many guys did you have on it?
8 of us all together.
8 of them. Name them all.
Kimbo Slice, Don Banks, Justin Corbin. Justin's been a friend of mine for years. He worked with me for a while.
Mr.
At
Justin.
the last shop that we painted the car at. Kenny McClellan. Kenny's gonna be the supervisor at this shop, the car shop. Kyle Coates. Kyle's been my prepper and body man for a couple years and just does really good. Tyler Hamilton, one of my newer body guys, he does really good. Kip Harper works on it a little bit. He does real good.
Jethro helped me change tires.
Yeah. It's been a group effort. It's been a lot of work.
It was a group effort.
A lot of 7 in the morning till 4 the next morning. So it's
So the car was a lot of work when y'all did it.
comparatively speaking, no, but yeah, a lot of work.
Yeah, a lot.
It's-
I mean, I had to paint everything on it. I tore it up front to back.
It had a quarter panel put on it. You know, all new doors, new front
Rocker
end.
doors, front end, bumper, trunk lid, wing. Everything but that quarter panel on that roof.
Like I said, I got a truck shop, and that's where these guys started out at. But most of them we met or either know through racing.
Is this the only shop you ever had?
Oh no, this is the nicest shop by far. I hope it's the last shop. If we can fill this bitch up, we're doing something, and we're getting there, man. We've had a good response from the last video you did when we did the grand opening.
Yes, sir.
A good response.
You got to touch stuff on the back of that.
Yeah, you did something. You're fabulous.
Hey, so I'm gonna ask the question everybody want to ask. Will, how does it feel having Daddy Days as a friend?
It's kind of scary. That's a crazy fucker.
Come on,
You have to watch out. You have to watch out. Shit ain't leaving from the shop. You know, just check his pockets. You make him clap all the time.
You better
Whoa.
No, that's cool, man. You get somebody that you see on TV all the time, and I think y'all were on season 7 or 8, 9 when I met you. You know, I love the show, the OG show. I don't think I've watched this episode of No Prep Kings yet, but I'm
I
going
don't
to.
either. Don't feel bad.
Yeah, it's cool when you got high profile VIP clients and stuff, and
I
then
ain't high profile, am I?
and it's shit.
I'm just normal.
I didn't say high maintenance. I
Right.
said
So
high
talking about normal.
I'm normal, am I not?
I mean, he's a normal dude
That's it.
outside of the
He yells at you and stuff.
TV stuff.
Mm-hmm.
You get him like in this situation, he's normal. Hey man, he even took the trash out.
What? He did too.
Lazy asses wouldn't.
That's some normal person
In the
stuff.
new shop, Dave?
No,
No, the old shop.
I took that out.
I felt like I was back home, just shit running over, and they tried to
Hey, y'all must
in
be
there
good
further.
school, man.
But don't
Make,
worry.
make you feel like you're back home.
I'm still.
That's what
There's a lot of those.
That's what
Man.
I do here. Come down with yours.
Pete Tucker, he looked like the Black Chief.
Whoa. And you said who?
In my mind,
Fucking good though. The dude is good.
how many of y'all done worked on Daddy Days, bro? Huh?
I mean, he's done it twice.
Well, I did a couple things twice because somebody.
Yeah, let it go. If you pull my transmission out, pull the torque converter off, that flywheel says something real nice too. Not from him,
Oh, okay.
from the chassis guy.
Mm.
He's from
Dang.
New Zealand and he rates weird things and draws weird things. They're all over the place, so I'm okay with it.
What made you choose that color of the car?
My wife.
Is there a story behind that?
No,
She just wanted that color. And you went
Hey,
with it.
there's a get around car.
Oh yeah. Little robot.
Yeah, my wife picked that color out. So
It just goes in circles.
That's the big guy driving. He can turn the steering wheel.
I think we're doing all the engines and stuff in here. Everything up above us is stored, 2,000 square feet of storage. Where all the parts will be stored for the. This is the fab shop. All your welding, cut, and all that stuff be built in here. We got a chassis table at other shops got to come here. And then this part of here will be your tear down and reassembly. Like we did with Dave, we brought Dave's car here and tore it completely apart. And once it goes through the body process and paint process, we bring it back in here. It's just a little cleaner in here. We put it all back together.
Damn, that air filter.
Do the Lexan, Zeus fasteners and stuff that a little tedious work.
How long you been doing Lexan?
Probably about 8 years.
Shoot.
8 to 10 years. Well, yeah, 8 years.
So what's behind this wall?
This is the actual body shop itself.
Okay.
10,000 square feet of body shop area there, the paint booths and all that.
Okay.
And then 16,000 square feet of fab shop, and parts room, and offices and showrooms.
Yeah. That would have been a real hoochie daddy moment, bro.
My favorite thing we go to the store and an old man be shuffling all real slow. He'll just walk up, act like he's just smacking the ass. I'm like,
man, I've been away
Okay.
hey, quick shout out, Blacktop TV. Go check him out for all the street racing, track racing, grudge racing action. This guy is behind the lines, behind the scene, behind the camera, filming it all for you.